Well, the tide's going to be about 11 o'clock tonight. The river's rising rapidly, and the tide's coming in. We can get a lot more water here.
Have you seen it this bad before?
This is the worst I've seen it in 25 years I've been up here. Yeah, from the coast. Yeah. That there would be, it could be 8 feet, possibly more.
Higher than it normally would be?
It's normally empty.
I've seen it like this before. Look at a creek. Oh,
That's not too bad.
we're coming. We need to get in front of her. Pull her forward.
I'll just have to nudge her.
No, you might be able to get round her.
It's really windy now as well, which is causing all sorts of issues with tree fall on roads, which has led to the closure of both a lot of local roads, but also a number of state highways. So I think 3 state highways are closed now, range of landslips, flooding and trees falling. It's extremely windy and very heavy rain. Both the wind and the rain are a lot worse in the upper Motueka, lower Motueka, Rewalker, Brooklyn, in fact everywhere south of about Wakefield. Now there is a big focus on Tapawera with the rapidly rising upper Motueka River. So I think Fire and Emergency New Zealand are going door to door in vulnerable parts of Tapawera, asking people to evacuate. So yep, it's the forecast unfortunately has been very accurate. The wind is again the big thing that we actually haven't had for the last 2 weeks and wasn't a factor in the first event. Now it's a very significant factor